Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to start standing. So the first thing we're going to do is give a little bit of a sensory to our feet, our knees and our hips. So let's cross one ankle over the knee and give the foot a little rub. The top of the feet, the toes, the sole, the heel, the ankles. Good. Relax it down, come up to the knee. Give it a little rub forwards, maybe in circles and back. Good, and then come all the way up to the hip. Good, first on one side and then we go to the other side. Nice, and back, I have my mic, but rub the back of your hip. Good, okay, and then we change. Other foot. Let's give it a nice rub. The top, the toes. Good, the heel and ankle. Nice, relax it down. Let's come to the knee. Good, maybe in circles. And then at the back, come all the way up to your hip. Forwards to the sides. All right, good. Now, stand nice and tall. Spread your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Keep your toes forwards. And we're going to start to roll on each side of the ankle. So we're going to pass through center, then roll. One is on the outside, the other one is on the inside of the foot. And then we change. Let the knees go with it. Keep the torso forward. Remain breathing in and out through the nose softly. And while we do this with our hands, we're going to do tap on each finger. Tap, tap, tap. We go and we come back. So we can do this as fast as we can while we move the feet side to side. Roll onto the sides of the ankle. And notice if you, because you do faster with your finger, you want to fasten the movement of your ankles. Try to keep the ankles nice and smooth, but go fast with your fingers. Notice if you start to lose a bit of coordination on the finger tapping. Good. Remember to let the knee go with the movement. A little bit more, one more breath. Okay. Okay, come through center. Relax the hands. Come to stand at the top of the mat. We're going to bend one knee. Come onto the toes. And then we bend both the knees. Inhale. We sit back sort of to a chair. Sweep the arms up. Put a bit of weight on the leg that is on the toes. And then come up to stand. Place the heel down and we change. Other foot onto the toes. Inhale. Sweep the arms up. Sit back. Exhale, come up. One more time, other foot. Inhale, sit back. Exhale, lengthen up. Inhale, other foot. Exhale, lengthen up. Good job. Lean over your right leg. Slide the left leg behind you. Put your weight onto your right and place the left foot on the top of the foot. Good. In here, we're going to inhale tall. Exhale, bend both the knees. Feel how the front of the ankle opens. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. One more inhale up. Exhale, bend. Last one, we stay up. Maybe you find a little bend on that right knee. And then we roll the top of the foot side to side. So the heel is to the left and then it rolls to the right. In and out. Nice. Okay, come through center. Lean over your right leg. Lift the left foot. Step it back to your high lunge. Inhale to sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands down through heart center. In here, we're going to start to circle that front knee. So we bend the knee forwards, bring it in, lengthen, out and forwards. And while we do this, we're going to bring the arms up, the same direction, the circle. And then we reverse the direction of the circle as we bring the arms down. Good. When your arms reach the bottom, good, keep bending the knee, drop the back knee down, untuck the toes, and then take your weight towards your left leg. Walk your right leg a little bit further forwards, come onto the heel. Good. We're going to tuck the tailbone here. Your ribs are going to be in slightly. Bring your arms forwards for a moment. Feel already how the front of the left leg lengthens. We're going to lean towards the back. Bring your arms forwards. Inhale. And as we exhale, the right hand tries to touch the left ankle. Come back through center. Keep squeezing that glute. Left arm Woo, back through center. Good. Bend that front knee. Place the sole of the foot. Tuck your back toes. Come up to your high lunge, but this time we have the weight of your torso forward, so we lean almost the belly touching the right thigh. And then we're gonna bring the left foot to meet the right, but the front leg stays as it is and the torso as well, into sort of a squat. Maybe we walk a little bit further back. We're gonna need some mat in front of us. Open the toes out to the sides and sit down. Good, I'll show from the front. Relax the arms, don't worry much about the arms. We're gonna lift off this pose a little bit, come onto the toes of the left leg and kiss with the knee, and then come back to your squat with the right, and back, knee kisses, or floor kisses, a few more times, each one. Find a bit of momentum here, good. All right, now we come through center, bring the toes forward so the feet are in parallel. And then just from here, straight away, we come all the way up to stand. Whoa. Good, shake the quads a little bit. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands down through heart center. Good job. Lean over your left. Bring the right leg behind and come onto the top of that foot. Good, as we did before. We're gonna bend both the knees, lengthen up. Feel the front of that right ankle opening, lengthen up. One more. Lengthen up, we stay lengthened, maybe a little bent on the left leg, and we start to roll that ankle. So the heel goes to the right and then in, out and in. Okay, come through center. Bring your weight to your left leg, big step with that right leg. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, hands down through heart center. And we're gonna do the knee circles here. So bring your arms beside you. Start to do them first in. And as you circle, don't roll the ankle. The sole of the foot remains all the time on the floor. Start to bring the arms up. Yush. And then reverse the arms and the knee circle. Nice. Okay, when you finish the last one, drop the back knee down and tuck the toes. Bring your weight towards your right leg. Lengthen the left leg out and come onto the heel. And then tuck your tailbone. I really want you to squeeze that right glute. Ribs in. Maybe you bring your arms forwards. Start to lean to the back. Don't hinge from the hips or arch the spine. We keep this tuck. We lean back. Bring the arms forwards. First, the left hand tries to touch that right ankle. Come up. Stay leaning back. And then we open. Right hand to heel. Come up. Good job. Okay, step the front sole of the foot down. Tuck your back toes, come up onto your lunge, but lean forwards with your torso, and we're just gonna slide the right foot, boom, onto our squat. Okay, in here, we're gonna sit the hips as low as we can. If we can't match, we can stay on the toes. What we're gonna do is this time, we're gonna rock onto the toes. Both the knees are gonna kiss. Notice how I lean back, and then find a bit of momentum to come back. Bam. And then we kiss. And then we're back. Last one we kiss. Woo! And then we're back. Good job. Inhale to come all the way up to stand. Exhale, hands down through heart center. Okay. Lean over your right leg, big step with the left. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down through heart center. Lengthen both the knees. Start to bend the left knee. Tuck your tailbone, ribs in. The same thing we did on the knees. We're gonna start to lean back. Ooh, this time, if you want a bit more challenge, you come onto the heel of the front foot. Otherwise, keep the sole of the foot there. Keep tucking your tailbone. Bring your arms forward. Right hand tries to touch that left ankle. Keep squeezing. Bring it up. Don't flare the ribs. Left arm. You come up. Good job. Okay, bring your weight forwards. Bend that right knee. Come to your lunge. We're going to come all the way up to stand. Squeeze the left heel to the bum. And then hook the left ankle, maybe both the hands. If both the hands is too much, you can just keep the left hand onto the ankle. Good. Tuck your tailbone. I want you to feel the stretch on the front of the left leg. And then maybe if you want, you can find sort of a warrior 3 with that knee bend. Good. Come to stand. Softly let go of that ankle. Good. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands down through heart center. Lean over your left leg, big step with the right. Good. Inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands down through heart center. Start to lengthen both the legs. Stay on the toes of the back foot. Start to bend that right knee. Tuck your tailbone, lean back. Your chin stays tucked slightly, not fully collapse, or just try to keep it so it doesn't counter the weight. Good. Keep tucking the tailbone. Bring the hands forward. Good. Inhale. And then exhale. Left hand tries to touch that right ankle. Come back. And then the right hand tries to touch it. Yeah. Come all the way up. Good job. Start to lengthen that back knee. Bend the front. So we're in this high lunge. And then keep the torso folded, almost the belly on the thigh. And just squeeze that right heel towards the bum. Come to stand. And maybe you hook with both your hands that ankle. Keep tucking. If we have the tailbone sort of out, we're not gonna feel the lengthening on the front of the leg. So I want you to squeeze, so you tuck and you feel how the front of that right leg opens. Maybe you fold for this bend knee, warrior 3. Good, come all the way out to stand. Softly relax it down. Okay, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to go to sort of a sissy squat. We have done it. We have warmed up the knees, the hips, and the thighs enough to do this. So let's first try it without the toes, so without being on the toes, so we understand the direction. Remember when we were doing the knee kisses, it's the same movement, but this time we're gonna start standing. But I want you to imagine your knees want to kiss towards the front of the mat. Remember to not arch the spine, keep the ribs in, a little tuck on the chin. Good, so we come onto the toes. Tuck your tailbone. Start to lean back as you bend the knees, squeeze those glutes. Good, keep going. When you can't anymore, you take the hips back and sit down, but try to go as low as you can. Good job. If your knees touch the ground, keep everything, squeeze it, but lift up to kneeling. Untuck your toes. And then keep the squeeze. We're not losing the squeeze here. The glutes are squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We lean back as far as we can. And then drop the hips to your heels. Take a moment here. Nice. Okay. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Good. Well done, team. You have done it. Again, as always, remember you could loop this and do it as many times as you fancy. Thank you.